but it's like anything else in the industry. You have to be proactive in realizing that recycling and diverting that kind of waste can also add to the life of the landfill, you know, that can maybe recouped in another source or another way, yes. Trying to be a leader in that industry is to, you know, one of the things that you spoke about earlier is that it's very difficult to find people that want to source separate anything because of the cost involved.
Right. And
cost is always going to be the driving factor in any kind of recycling program, whether it's a LEED program or whether it's recycling plastic and paper out of trash. And we've seen that through history, that unless there are markets on the outside for it, it's very difficult to get people to do it or have the incentive to do it. And that's where I think leaders in the industry, like Republic Services or places like that, can look at how can that be managed at the landfill, because you're already bringing waste there. If you can do something by creating another outsource there, then it's still a one-trip thing, and it cuts out having to recycle on the job site. Maybe you can do that at the landfill.
Instead of going to one place or two you
places,
can go to one and do everything, you know what I mean?
And I think that's one reason why the county folks, and I'm not going to try to speak for them, but commingling of just recycling materials at the home is one of the best things that's ever hit, where they can actually pick it up with one truck, take it out. You don't have 3 trucks or 3 people pick up glass and cardboard, all that. So now you're cutting a carbon footprint. So, you know, it's another green source of being able to do that. And I feel for you guys, because I know how expensive it is to try to have a source separated deal. It's labor intensive. There are no great ways to be able to sort material yet that's cost effective.